nights weren't complete if you weren't by my side. You're my relation in connection to the sun. With you next to me, there's no darkness I can overcome. You are my raindrops, I am the seed. With you and God who's my sunlight, I bloom and grow so beautifully. Baby, I'm so proud that you're my girl. You make the confusion go all the way from this cold. It makes the world. I'm in love with you. You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. Cause I'm dangerously in love with you. I'll never leave. Just keep loving me the way you love. You're loving me. Cause I'm in love with you. You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. Cause I'm dangerously in love with you. I'll never leave. Just keep loving me the way you love. You're loving me. Every time I see your face, my heart smiles. Every time it feels so good, it hurts sometimes. Created in this world to love, to hold, to feel, to breathe, to live you dangerously in love. You here with me, cause I'm dangerously in love with you. I'll never leave. Just keep loving me the way you love. You're loving me.
Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. I know 2 minutes in saying that, but I wanted to kind of set a tone and vibe for this video with a little bit of music and then a little bit of talking. I'm using all Mia Secret products in this video, not sponsored. I just love their products. I ordered a majority of my nail items on Amazon, so I will have everything that I'm using that is linkable linked for you all down below. I like to sculpt my nails because it just helps me to get a more customized shape and fit versus trying to size up all of the tips. So I'm dipping into the liquid, wiping off the excess, and then I'm gonna go into that Cover Beige by Mia Secret, going into this glitter. I think I probably got that glitter from Michael's. You can use any kind of glitter, or I do. I use any kind of glitter on my nails. And I'm basically adding all 3 of those colors and using the tip of the brush to swirl them together. You can't really mess this up. It's just kind of the look that you would want. Just kind of like swirling it to get like a cute little water marble look, but without the marble, just using acrylic to do it. So I'm kind of working the shape in place, taking a little bit more of that Cover Beige. Whenever I do my nails, the only thing I have in mind is the colors most times, and then once I sit down, I just kind of like go for it and wing it. If y'all are curious, I'm self-taught, not licensed or anything. So the brush that I'm using is the Pkwy brush, size number 8. Once I'm done and satisfied with the shape of my nail, I take clear powder to cover the entire nail. That way when I begin the filing process, I won't ruin any of my work. Doing my nails is sort of self-explanatory, just watching it visually, so I want to do something a little bit different and just give you all a mini story time on why I do my own nails and how I learned. My sisters were always down to allow me to practice on them. I have 2 sisters, if you're new here, and I would just practice doing my nails on them. We never really got our nails professionally done. Even to this day, I've only had my hands professionally done once. That was for my 30th birthday. Shout out to Nails by Shana. And yeah, like my parents would have had to pay 3 times if we were going to get our nails done. And if you go get your nails done, sis, you already know. You already know. Don't get it twisted. We definitely had everything that we needed growing up. So I discovered YouTube and I was already watching a bunch of like nail videos. I went to my parents and I was just like, I'm watching people do nails on YouTube. I need money to go and buy a kiss kit, like the kiss acrylic kits, right? And they bought one for me and the rest is history. My sisters would just let me continue to try on them. And that's the thing about life and just learning to want to do something and having a desire to want to do it. Keep doing it. Whatever new technique you've picked up, whatever new craft you're trying to master and learn, don't give up just because you tried it once and it didn't turn out right. Like, you have to really continue doing it and continue doing it. Consistency is key, as cliche as that sounds. it's the way, okay? So yeah, I just kept doing that. My sisters kept letting me practice on them, and voila, the rest is history. The way that I learned, because obviously I wouldn't have known what else to do, YouTube. So I would just watch YouTube videos on other people doing their nails, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna follow what they did. I'm about to try it. Even to this day, a lot of things that I've learned is through YouTube. So that's basically it. A little mini story time, and I'm basically now just going to file all of my nails off camera. I did go ahead and use my electric drill, but I was sitting outside, and so when I kind of moved to where the plug was, it was really hard to kind of move the camera over there as well. So yeah, when the weather is nice, sometimes I do like to sit outside to do my nails. If you're not new here, then you all remember all of my nail videos in the sunroom back at my parents' house. So yeah, this is nothing new. I tell y'all, I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. But you knew this. I always ask myself, like, if my sisters and I were going to get our nails done, let's say every 2 weeks, it just makes me curious, like, would I do my own nails? Would I even have a desire to want to learn? Or would I just like go get them done? I don't know, but I feel like everything in life happens the way that it's supposed to. So shout out to my parents, baby, because I be making my nails look good. Ratchet Destiny said, hey, okay, bye. Y'all, we still gotta finish the film room. I've been working in the film room. I'm so picky, I haven't decided which wall I want my nail polish rack on. So that's that. But I'm just, you know, grabbing out the colors that I need. So Madam Glam did send me over a few colors. I'm going to use the Perfect Black today. I tried to do a few other ones to see how it would look. But basically what you all are about to see, because I don't want to walk through the entire voiceover the whole time. But like I said, when I do my nails, I kind of just sit down and just go for it. So you're going to see me do a design, not like it, take it off, do another design, take it off, do another design, take it off. Until I just get, you know, to the finished look that I want. Yes or no? I don't like this one. Or I shouldn't say that, because then y'all start being on my side. What do y'all think of this one? I haven't cured it yet. I feel like that green is too dark. No, okay. Okay, so it's a clear nail. What should it be? The rest of them are almost done. Like this one's done, and this one's done. And probably the thumb too. What should I do to the last one? Yeah, I don't like the green that much either. looks straight. Dawg, I done messed it up. Let me wipe this off. I'm gonna have to start over. Cut the camera. Tell me why I never got like the finished look of my nails. So I'm just gonna try to find a picture or two to show you all. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw them. To finish that clear nail, I just kind of put this Swarovski's all over, put it underneath the UV lamp to cure it, add some cuticle oil, and I was done. I love doing my own pedicures, but ever since I got the first professional one, I've been hooked on just letting someone else do it every now and again. So pedicure me, please.
Lord, this flower bomb, fly. She take me high. I can teach you all the signs of love. Hey baby, say what your name is. You looking down today, how can I change this? Cause you're far too beautiful, and I want you to know that you ain't gotta settle for less, baby. You ain't gotta stress, no. Girl, I would give you my best. I could treat you better than right. Oh yeah. If he don't do it right, don't worry, baby, you could come and spend the night. Oh, we're living in a fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby, yeah. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby, yeah. Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This ain't no Sandra Bull, you're potion number 9. I'm navigating through her eyes to hit the destination to her thighs. Now I'm not the type of dude you run into every day, I promise you. Girl, I'm not trying to pressure you. Girl, I can teach you all the signs of love. If he don't do it right, oh, don't worry. You could come. Oh, we're living in a fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby, yeah. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's Vito, baby. Hey, ooh, baby, this was for you, for you.
So of course, self-love also means don't choose a color that someone else likes more than you, especially if you're paying for it, sis. Get the color that you want, okay? Okay, y'all. Putting on my sandals and everything. I think they had swapped out, so it was a guy doing it at this point. I don't know. Sometimes they swap in and out, but.
Cause you walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and dance and a pedicure on. She's forever lazily.
Self-love also means treating yourself to some good food. Like, get yourself a good meal, ignore your diet, ignore your healthy regimen, pick something on the menu and throw down, okay? Thou shalt not leave anything on the plate, even though, never mind, because I had a little bit left to take home. I'm gonna call y'all back. And we got this bean dip right here, really good with these chips. I have the Tekila quesadilla, so that one basically has shrimp, chicken, and steak in it. Hopefully I finish all of this. It's a lot. What's this called that you got?
Burritos, Cisco or something. No.
Don't quote me on that. Can I get a refill? Ooh, look look at it. What they be doing on the mukbang channel.
I know they was tired of the people coming in when the first this song first
My
came
battery
out.
blinking.
This song first
And
came
people
out.
singing it to
I
them.
bet that was like,
Don't even come in here with
Right,
that.
don't
Don't come in with that today. Hey, screw me. Bruh. I got on your video. You gotta put this on my story. Girl. Oh my god. Okay, go. Body yada yada. Thank you very much. That's cute in here, y'all. We got options. Oh, I may make a strawberry cheesecake. Oh, I see cheesecake right there. Let me see. There's too many options. They got cheesecake. That's what I want. Or do I want like a peanut butter? Okay. I don't know where to sit y'all at. I'm trying to decide if I want strawberry and cheesecake. Let me see.
So I want.
All of them come out like that? Which one is that? I want to get the...
I want to have treat. They wouldn't come out like that.
It might be down to the last of it.
¿No quieres otro sabor?
Cheesecake. I'm gonna get cheesecake, graham crackers. It's blinking. Yeah, the steps.
Make my own cookies and cream.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I want. Graham crackers. I'm basically making a cheesecake break like I get it.
You get the same thing every time.
I do, don't it? Very much giving basic vibes.
Definitely.
I'm trying to hurry up. My battery blinking. What else I want to add? Caramel. Where's the caramel at? Now look how small mine is. It's basically a strawberry cheesecake with caramels and graham crackers and cheesecake pieces. Jericho's is like legit. Mine's is like mine embarrassing, so I'm gonna call y'all back. Oh wait, let me...
Created in this world to love, to hold, to feel, to breathe, to live you dangerously alive.